Friday, it's me, Nancy, and today I want to talk about a powder bath. You all know I love powder baths and I love for them to be dramatic. When you're building a home, most of the time the powder baths come with a pedestal sink, and if you are wanting to make your powder bath look more luxurious, an easy way to do that is by changing your vanity. You can find these at Wayfair, Overstock, Home Depot, Lowe's, they all have them. What I like about this one is that it has the sink overhead, so you would think that these drawers are not functional, but actually they are. They open up and they have like these little cupboards, so you can like roll some hand towels and like simply just stack them in here for guests and close the drawer. You could put a basket under there with extra toilet paper, different little things that you can do, and looks so much more luxurious than the little pedestal sinks. It hides the wires and everything from underneath, and it just makes the bathroom look more classy and elaborate. Some other ideas that we've talked about before, switching out the mirrors, switching out the light fixtures, those kind of simple little things makes a powder bath look very luxurious. I have some of these that are actually linked on my Amazon store, and you can go on there and see different lighting and vanities and things like that. And that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone is living just fancier.